Which animal can survive for months without its head? A. Cockroach, B. Ant, C. Grasshopper. A. Cockroach. What animal has transparent blood? A. Icefish, B. Glass frog, C. Jellyfish. A. Icefish. Which animal has the ability to regrow its brain if damaged? A. Axolotl, B. Starfish, C. Jellyfish. C. Jellyfish. What creature has blue blood due to copper-based hemocyanin? A. Octopus, B. Horseshoe crab, C. Squid. B. Horseshoe crab. Which bird can sleep while flying? A. Albatross, B. Falcon, C. Eagle. A. Albatross. What animal can produce electricity up to 600 volts? A. Electric eel, B. Stingray, C. Lanternfish. A. Electric eel. Which insect can survive being frozen solid and thawed? A. Arctic woolly bear caterpillar, B. Firefly, C. Dragonfly. A. Arctic woolly bear caterpillar.